Welcome back, everyone. I'm showing you dumbbell push press in this video. You can have your palms facing each other, that's neutral grip, and you are going to dip the legs, torso stays straight. You're going to use the leg drive back up to help you push the dumbbells overhead. So it's not a strict press. We are using the legs, okay? And here I'm showing you pronated grip with the palms facing away from you. This is for the pecs and the delts. One thing I don't want to see is staying up on the toes. So here, my heels are staying elevated and it's just not as smooth, okay? Other thing people do is they just kind of dip and then they stand up. That's giving you no drive. So again, to recap, for the pecs and the shoulders, we are going to dip and drive overhead, helping ourselves up, and make sure you're squeezing your lats and not your traps. We do not want to shrug the shoulders here. Pecs and lats are the most active.